Just days after hiking prices across all its plans, HBO Max is shaking things up, not with another fee, but with a fresh way to listen to you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. No, HBO isn't popping up to ask if you're still watching after a marathon. Instead, HBO Max is rolling out a sleek new feedback system designed to learn exactly what you love, like, or don't care for on its platform, and then tailor recommendations just for you. Think of it as your personal assistant for binge watching. When you're browsing a show like The Last of Us or a comedy classic like Curb Your Enthusiasm, you'll see a new thumbs up icon. Click it and you'll be invited to rate the title with one of 3 simple options saying love, like, or not for me. This isn't just about star ratings or thumbs up or down. It's a smart way to shape your streaming experience by telling HBO Max what to suggest next. Mark something as love and HBO Max rewards you with a whole row of your favorites, making rewatching and discovering similar gems easy. And just like that, hit not for me and that title will quietly fade from your future recommendations, sparing you from unwanted suggestions. And if you share your account with family or friends, each profile's feedback customizes its own tailored lineup. This move puts HBO Max in line with streaming giants like Netflix and Prime Video, which use complex algorithms and even AI to predict what you want to watch. But unlike a price hike, this feature gives you a bit of power back, helping the service learn what truly keeps you hooked. This new rating system might just make HBO Max feel more like your personal streaming assistant than ever before. So, what's your verdict? Love it, like it, or not for you? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.